it's the 16th of April 2022. We have Kenraalintie 8 in Valkeakoski, Pirkanmaan Pirkanmaan. Goes to Tampere, of course, Finland. There are 5 floors here, and this is originally from the, probably from the early 1950s. The elevator was added here in 1999. This number is 70141. It's 20 years old in 2019. Best is 5 pieces of workers.
That's no sense.
Worker is idle, let me watch it. Look at that.
I know.
Nice. It's going to be inspected next year, 2023. Let's write it.
Yeah, I bet so.
Nice.
No, that's on this side.
There's no entrance here. There's only one entrance. Full view of the door. That's right.
Hey. Wait a minute. Can I come up and see? I heard the machinery.
What's great is that they had space for an elevator here when they built this building.
Yeah. Feels like the machinery is on the top. Yes, we should. Next time they should add sensors here.
True.
One more right?
Of course. Deserves it. Take this side.
Inspected by device, maintained by phone.
P or
Wait
the
a
ground floor, entrance
Wait a
floor
minute.
is just a half floor.
I can see a net shaft here.
Can you see it?
Yeah, I think it might have had a cave shaft. But
It looks older, yeah. What did they, so they did replace this in 1999, so I know.
I can follow you then after. You can go down. I'll come up. Okay.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching. I think there are maybe 2 more additional elevators around.
That's